Welcome to the scenic village of Zaanse Schans. Known for its traditional windmills, historic houses and crafts workshops, there's a charming clock shop filled with an array of wooden footwear. Skilled craftsmen shapes the blocks of wood to create these iconic Dutch footwear. These working windmills shows the Dutch expertise in harnessing wind power. Windmills are used in various industries such as sawmilling, oil extraction and cocoa processing. Besides windmills, Zaanse Schans also boasts traditional Dutch houses. Many has been turned into museums and shops. Here you will find the first Albert Heijn shop showcasing the vintage interiors and shelves. Inside you will experience the humble beginnings of this renowned Dutch supermarket chain.
Alles doorlopen, schrobben, bestellingen wegbrengen, onderaan beginnen.
Ja, onderaan beginnen, ja.
Pak ze maar aan, met de chef aan hebben gezet. Geen onderscheid.
Ja.
En die namen in de 60e jaren dood. Die hebben de slag gemaakt naar veel meer supermarkten, maar ook.
Zaanse Schans is a living testament to the Dutch Golden Age. It's an unforgettable experience that will transport you back in time.